Hey guys, it's Ben from Cracks Country Cooking. Today we're checking out the Z grills and we're going to talk about their crowdfunding reward program. So Z Grills did send me this over to review. I didn't pay for it. It's got a 28-pound hopper. It's got a stainless steel lid here. It has a pellet dump. It has a PID controller. If you don't know what that means, it basically holds it within a degree or two of the temperature that you actually set it to. The old controllers on almost all pellet smokers would fluctuate 20, 30, 40 degrees up and down. This does not do that. I've smoked an overnight pork butt because it is Wi-Fi enabled, so it connects right to the smartphone. Have an app, set it. It comes with 2 meat probes, and I let this go overnight, 210 degrees. In the morning, got up, bumped it up to 250. A couple hours, it was done. Still had pellets left over. It's very efficient, and it works excellent. It's got rubberized off-road wheels in the back. It's got locking casters in the front. It makes maneuverability pretty good, and it works excellent on grass or hard surfaces if you need to move it in and out. It comes with a grill cover too, and I think it's just an excellent grill for the price you pay. So you're gonna pay $777 for this grill, and then every 5 years after that, you get another grill for $100 shipping for the next 50 years. Like, listen, I know I'm not gonna be around in 2075. You can transfer the program to a family member. Also, there's an early buy option. So say you like, I can't believe how good this thing works for the money. I love it. And you have a family member or a friend whose birthday's coming up, 200 bucks. You pay $100 for early access and then $100 shipping, and then you get your early access to your grill. It shows up and hey, here you go, Uncle Billy Bob, here's your pellet smoker. This thing will last over 5 years, no problem. They've been selling grills since 2016. They've been manufacturing grills for way longer than that. I did ribs, I did pork butt, I did some tailgate food in this thing. You can set it on high, 500 degrees. You can bake in it, or you can do 180 degrees, low and slow. This thing works excellent. I thought the reward program was a scam when I first saw it. I was like, there's no way that can be real. But I'm here to tell you it is real. It actually is a thing. And I can't believe how good this smoker is for the price that you're paying for it. I'll have a link in the description. You can get one. I do earn a commission on sales. I'm here to tell you guys what products are good. This is a good product. You need to check them out. Let me know what you think. Hit that like and subscribe button. Short video today, no recipes. All right, see ya.